My name is Mulligan. I'm a professor at Concordia University. I'm also a research chair in geoenvironment that's sustainable. I'm also the director of the Concordia Institute of Water, Energy and Sustainable Systems. Here we are at Lake Joanne, and we are taking some samples today for water to determine the quality of the water at Lake Joanne for our project. And we are, as you can see, my students are approaching in the pedal boat, and they will be taking some samples here at Lake Joanne. Okay, so here we are doing some sampling at Lake Joanne. We're going to be looking at the cloudiness of the water, or what we say the turbidity. So we just have a small equipment here for measuring this the cloudiness of the water. We are here at Lake Joanne, and this is our system that we're using to treat the water here at Lake Joanne. It's a testing system. It's a research project that originally started in Lac Caron, and now we have moved the system here to Lake Joanne, that we are starting to do these tests for another 3 years. This project is supported by the NSERC and a private company that makes the geotextiles, which is the base of the filtration for this project. So Lake Joanne is classified as mesoeutrophic, and so we are trying to develop a system that can slow down the aging process in the Lake Joanne. So we're taking samples, and this is the only way to see if our project is working well and to see if we need to make adjustments along the way. So this project will be going on for another. Here we are at Lac Caron. So this project is running parallel to the one in Lake Joanne. However, it is more advanced since we've already done the small system as we did at Lake Joanne. Here we have a filtration system, as you can see here. It's a floating system, and it is within a silk curtain, so that we're using this as a control volume of the lake itself. So we're trying to see whether we can reduce the amount of algae in the lake here. This side is a system exactly under the same conditions, except there is no filtration, and so we can see easily whether we are able to improve the quality of the water at this lake. This is a system more advanced than at Lake Joanne. It's we're doing some pilot tests directly in the lake. So right now we are just doing some analysis and some sampling of the systems that we have here, and we are doing the downloading of the data, and we are going to reinstall the data very soon. Okay, so here we are reinstalling the probe in the control unit that we have. We have a silk curtain, that's our control unit, where we have an area that's not filtered that we're using as a control, and we just put the probe back. So here we are taking the data from the lake, from Lac Caron. We've done all sorts of measurements related to dissolved oxygen, to turbidity, to temperature, to the depth of the lake. Chlorophyll, and all sorts of parameters like this that we need for our study. And so now we are just transferring the data from these probes onto the computer where we can keep the data. So this is a project that's running for 3 years. This is the first year of the 3-year project that's supported by NSERC and our geotextile company. And we're running it in parallel to Lake Joanne, and hopefully we'll be able to do this project in the future as a restoration of the lake.